Looking to save space without sacrificing functionality? In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 compact kitchen appliances that deliver big performance in small packages, perfect for apartments, tiny homes, or anyone trying to maximize counter space without compromising on convenience. As usual, all product link in the description below. So, let's dive into the video. Upgrade your kitchen control with this olive oil sprayer, a sleek, multifunctional bottle that lets you switch effortlessly between a fine mist and a steady stream, giving you total precision whether you're air frying, grilling, roasting, or dressing salads. Made from durable, BPA-free glass and equipped with a leak-proof, easy pump nozzle, it reduces oil waste, keeps your meals healthier, and adds a touch of elegance to your countertop. The wide-mouth design makes refilling mess-free, while the included funnel and waterproof labels help keep your oils organized and easy to identify. Practical, stylish, and built for everyday use, this oil sprayer is a must-have for anyone who loves smart cooking and cleaner prep. Grab yours now from the link in the description and take control of your kitchen essentials. Slice through kitchen tasks with precision using these premium stainless steel scissors, engineered with ultra-sharp, corrosion-resistant blades and ergonomic non-slip handles. They deliver effortless cutting for meats, herbs, vegetables, and even packaging, while built-in features like a bottle opener, nutcracker, and screwdriver make them a versatile multi-tool every modern kitchen needs. Plus, they're easy to clean and dishwasher-safe, combining strength, safety, and convenience in one sleek design. Grab yours now from the link in the description and elevate your kitchen efficiency. Transform your cabinet clutter into clean efficiency with this 2-tier under-sink organizer, featuring smooth sliding drawers, durable high-quality plastic and stainless steel construction, and adjustable height to fit around pipes and garbage disposals. This space-saving solution is perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or laundry rooms, offering quick access to cleaning supplies, toiletries, or pantry goods with its pull-out baskets and side hooks, all while staying sturdy, rust-proof, and easy to assemble without tools. Streamline your space today with a link in the description. Revolutionize your cooking with the COSORI 9-in-1 Air Fryer, designed for crispier, healthier meals using up to 85% less oil. This powerful 5.8-quart capacity fryer features customizable presets for fries, chicken, steak, seafood, and more, with a digital LED touchscreen for effortless control, rapid 360 degrees air circulation for even cooking, and a shake reminder to keep food perfectly golden, while the non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket ensures easy cleanup, all wrapped in a sleek, compact design that fits beautifully on your kitchen counter. Upgrade your kitchen game today by grabbing yours from the link in the description. Simplify your kitchen prep with this all-in-one onion cutter and vegetable chopper that slices, dices, and chops in seconds. Featuring ultra-sharp stainless steel blades and multiple interchangeable inserts, it handles onions, carrots, cucumbers, and more with precision and ease, while the built-in container keeps your countertop mess-free, and the non-slip base ensures stability during use. It's compact, easy to clean, and perfect for speeding up your salad, stir-fry, or meal prep routine. Grab yours now via the link in the description and upgrade your cooking game today. If you found helpful these collection, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more smartest finds. Links to all the products are in the description below. Thanks for watching.